What's up, guys? Today we're going to be washing my Surron, and I'm going to tell you everything that I do to keep this baby clean. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be just using this right here, this gold class car wash soap, and a bucket right here. So, and warm, I'm using warm water. I got warm water something like that. So, first and most important step is switch off your breaker. This. And just slide out the battery. Get the battery right here. Set it aside right there. So, and next we're gonna put a glove on this and a glove on the breaker. So we'll do that real quick. So I got my bucket filled with soapy water. Now I also got my breaker and the battery plug with latex gloves on. And now we're just gonna hose this thing down with just the water. Down in there. So we got everything hosed down, the front, the side, the bottom, controller and everything. This is just heartbreaking, this boot wear that I have on this thing. It's so heartbreaking, bro. I'm depressed now. Okay, so now just get your thing. Just go around, wash every single little thing that your hand can reach. So just get everything and do that throughout the whole bike. So we got everything, every single thing that my hand can reach in, we got wiped down and washed. So now we're just gonna take the bike and rinse everything. So I'll show you guys what to do after. So I got the bike fully hosed down and everything's washed, looking pretty clean, just really wet. So I'll show you guys what I do to not leave this bike to be wet. So you take a leaf blower or blower, something like this. I have this DeWalt blower, leaf blower, and just blow down every single little thing so the bike won't be wet. So okay, almost done but not done yet. Take a microfiber towel, and I know I said this a lot, but get into every single nook and cranny everywhere. Just wipe everything down, well, maybe except the tires, but wipe everything down. And then we'll move on to the next step. We got everything wiped down and bike looks way cleaner than it was before. So you can take off the gloves off your wires and everything. And now just a couple more steps. So let's get into it. Next thing that you gotta do is take the same microfiber towel that you used to wipe down your bike and wipe down your battery from all that crust. You don't have to wash it, you just wipe it down. So we'll do that real quick, and then we'll get into turning on the breaker, putting the battery in, plugging it in, turning on the breaker, and we'll see what's next. So we got our battery wiped down and in. Now we're gonna plug it in. So now close everything up. Dude, the bike looks so much cleaner. And now turns on and everything. Don't need to worry about anything. Light works. Everything's good. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve today for me. I don't know when this video is gonna be up, but hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys tried this out and it helped, drop a like and comment down below what you guys want me to post a video about, and I'll post it. I'll look into it and post it. And then, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.